NASA invites public to submit names to fly aboard next Mars rover. Although it will be years before the first human set foot on Mars, NASA is giving the public an opportunity to send their names stenciled on chips to the red planet with Mars with the NASA Mars 2020 rover, which represents the initial leg of humanity's first round trip to another planet. The rover is scheduled to launch as early as July 2020, with the spacecraft expected to touch down on Mars in February 2021. The Mars Air robotic scientific weighing more than 2,300 pounds, that is approximately 1,000 kilograms, will search for signs of past microbial life, characterize the planet's climate and geology, collect samples for future return to Earth, and pave the way for human exploration of the red planet. As we get ready to launch this historic Mars mission, we want everyone to share in this journey of exploration, said Thomas Zurbuchen, Associate Administration for NASA's Science Mission Directorate in Washington. It's an exciting time for NASA as we embark on this voyage to answer profound questions about our neighboring planet and even the origins of life itself. The opportunity to send your names to Mars comes with a souvenir boarding pass and frequent flyer points. This is part of a public engagement campaign to highlight missions involved with NASA's journey from the moon to Mars. Miles are awarded for each flight, with corresponding digital mission patches available for download. More than 2 million names flew on NASA's InSight mission to Mars, giving each flyer about 300 million frequent flyer miles from now till September 30, 2019. You can add your name to the list and obtain a souvenir boarding pass to Mars using a link provided in below description. The Micro Device Laboratory at NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California will use an electron beam to stencil the submitted names onto a silicon chip with lines of text smaller than 1,000 the width of the human hair. At that size, more than a million names can be written on a single dime-sized microchip. The chip will ride on the rover under a glass cover. NASA will use Mars 2020 and other missions to prepare for human exploration of the red planet. As another step towards that goal, NASA is returning American astronauts to the moon in 2024. Government, industry, and international partners will join NASA in a global effort to build and test the systems needed for human mission to Mars and beyond. The Mars 2020 project at JPL manages rover deployment for SMD, NASA's launch service program based at the agency's Kennedy Space Center in Florida is responsible for launch management. Mars 2020 will launch from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. Thank you.